check. This little baby is knocked out. Oh my god, she's so knocked out.
There's no way it can be.
She's tired.
I don't think I've ever seen a chick lay like that.
That is hilarious.
I don't think I've ever seen a chick lay like that.
She's still sleeping.
It's supposed to be that red.
She's moving her feet. She's very comfy.
Napoleon, it's okay, baby boy.
I've never seen a chick lay like that.
Hi, babies.
I've never seen a chicken lay like that.
Oh, she's stirring. She's stirring.
Oh,
Her sister's waking her up.
it's not very nice, is it?
Oh,
Look at your eye.
she's like, wake up, wake up. It's time for you to get up.
They're exhausted from leaving the house. Damn. I made us perform.